The Lok Sabha elections have ended with the BJP-led NDA winning the majority for third consecutive time. However, BJP and NDA was left shocked by the election results. The BJP faced the most unexpected outcome in Uttar Pradesh, the state they relied on the most, winning 62 seats out of 80 previously but now only securing 33 seats. The noticeable decrease in BJP seats calls for an examination of the factors that led to the party downfall despite in achievements like developmental projects and construction of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. Despite of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's strong effort during his 10 years in power, the India coalition effectively brought caste-based politics back into the mainstream. Notably in Uttar Pradesh, the BJP encountered major obstacles due to caste-focused organizations from opposing sides, specifically the India coalition consisting the Samajwadi Party and the Congress. This partnership successfully took advantage of the caste dynamics in the region, which have historically had impact the election results. The Samajwadi Party is supported by Yadav and Muslim voters, and Congress working to reclaim lost territory. United to gather votes against the BJP, it required three parties with genuine animosity towards each other to unite and effectively counter the BJP. It is intriguing to remember when Akhilesh Yadav referred to his ally Congress as Chalu Party and urged people not to support Congress. Noticeably, the Samajwadi Party's strategy of dividing Muslim and Dalit votes outshined the BJP campaign focus on development. Historically, Muslim votes in Uttar Pradesh have not supported the BJP, and now with alliance between Samajwadi Party and Congress solidifying, the Muslim votes have become even more consolidated in areas where they hold sway. Additionally, with diminishing presence of Mayawati's Bahujan Samaj Party, which once held sway over Dalit votes, its traditional supporters have now shifted their allegiance to Samajwadi and Congress coalition. It is important to mention that Uttar Pradesh has 20% Muslim population and 20% of Dalit population. The Samajwadi Party effectively capitalized on its Muslim Yadav vote bank. The BJP also did not succeed in dealing the anger of Rajputs, who were expressing dissatisfaction with the government for not giving them enough representation and attention. The Rajputs, consisting around 10% of population in western UP, are unhappy about insufficient Lok Sabha representation for their leaders. In the first round of voting, out of 8 constituencies, the BJP nominated just one Rajput candidate, Kuwar Sarvesh Singh, who unfortunately passed away the day following the election. In the remaining 8 constituencies, the BJP did not have any Rajput candidates. The Rajput have shown their frustration by organization a big Mahapanchayat in Saharanpur in April this year. Congress Imran Masood victory over BJP candidate Raghav Lakhanpal in Saharanpur came no shock.